Hi, I'm Willie, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your on-hold music on your Grandstream UCM PBX, whether it's an on-prem or a cloud or a software UCM. This is going to work pretty much the same for all of the appliances. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop in. I'm going to show you. I've got my 6202 that's still my production day-to-day workhorse, and then I've got my GCC 6010. But this menu option is going to be the same no matter which UCM you're working on. This is one thing they haven't really moved around. Now, one important thing to know about music on hold: if you record the tracks yourself and you own the rights to them, go ahead and use them. If you've got royalty-free music that you can use, go ahead and use it. But make sure you know that it's royalty-free. Make sure you have some sort of documentation that says it's royalty-free. Or if you don't have any of those, but you want different hold music, you can go. I just did a Google search for royalty-free music on hold, and you can download all kinds of examples. And it's not a bad idea, depending on how your business is set up, to have different types of on hold, because you can actually create on hold playlists, and then different extensions and different options in the system can use different on hold music. So I'm going to show you here on my 6202. You're going to go to system settings, PBX settings, and then you're going to go to music on hold. And right here you can see that these are the default that came with it. So Grandstream does provide some default on hold music that they've taken care of all the royalties and all that good stuff. And it may actually be the default that comes with Asterisk, since that's the underlying system. But I do know that it comes with the Grandstream UCM systems. So you can see I've got this default music on hold here. I have the option to record it again. I can play it if I really want to listen to it. So in this example, we can click play. We can select the extension, which I think is this one. Yeah. And then when I answer it, you're going to hear the on hold music. So that is the default. If you don't want that, a lot of people stick with it. If you don't want that, you're going to get your MP3 files, or you can upload waves or GSM files. Just know though, if you upload a file, if you have an MP3, which is the easiest way to obtain these, it's going to go ahead and transcode it to the WAV format for you. So you can find your audio file. You can upload a bunch of audio files as a zip, and it will unzip those and put those in here. So you can upload it. And then this is the default on hold playlist. Before we get too much further into this, let's hop over to the PBX that's on our GCC 6010. And we're going to go down here to PBX settings. We're going to go to music on hold, and you can see that there's a lot more of these. Now I don't have any phones on here, so you're not going to be able to hear that. But this is, in fact, some of the names are the same as on the other system, right? Cold Day and Robot Diddy. So this is the same, and then you've got, Camp Morning, Project System, the Simplicity. Anyway, this is where you go to upload your MP3 or your WAV files. Once again, even on the newer UCM software, if you upload, it tells you MP3s will be converted to the WAV format. So if you have an extension that you don't want to use all of the on-hold music, or if you've got an extension where you've maybe had some on-hold music created that's got some of your marketing materials in it, what you can do is you could create a new playlist, and you would do that by clicking the click add over here, and name this just test, and then sort by random or sort by name. Click save. Now if we drop this down, we've got test right here. No files found. We would have to upload that. Now the system by default is going to use everything that's in the default. So once you've created your music on hold list, if you have an extension that you want to not use the default list, but you created a new playlist and it has the songs you want in there, the music you want in there, you can go into the extension. I'll just use my extension here as an example. And we can go to features, and then down here we have this music on hold, and we can select whichever playlist we want for this extension. So if somebody calls me and I've got a specific music on hold and I want to put them on hold and I don't want them to hear whatever they're hearing from other extensions, they will get my playlist. Now I believe there are some other options in here. If we do, let's see, if we go to, I don't know if it's ring groups. Yeah, so even under ring groups, you can have different music on hold, so you can select that there. As you dig through some of the options in your PBX, let's see, does IVR have it? IVR does not have it. The call queue can be configured with music on hold. So you've got a lot of options when it comes to music on hold. But I've had a few people reach out to me over the last few days, and they have asked, how do they change their music on hold? This is how you do it. So if you've got any questions about this, let me know down in the comments. If you get to something and you get stuck and you have a question you need, you can ask it down there. You can reach out. But yeah, let us know. Let us know how it's working out for you. Let us know down in the comments how you are handling licensing your music on hold music. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links, a Patreon link. And if you need IT consulting, if you need someone to set up a new PBX for you, go over a PBX and fix some problems. If you need security, storage, general voice over IP, wired or wireless networking, head on over to williehowe.com, fill out the contact form that's on the front page, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Come on over to community.williehowe.com, and let's talk about PBXs and music on hold, or on hold music, whatever you want to call it. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.